up a few.
Back in as well, it's going to be easy for you because you got fenders all down the other side.
Okay.
See that pin? What do? You tuck that up. That should be there. Should be in there. And now he'll pull his beam in. What an awesome vessel. So he's just got to keep roping down that hook block. I'll put this pin back in and I'll store that other thing. It's obviously needs the keeper, so normally you store it there. See how that hole's coming? I'll put this pin. That thing's a beast. Switzer. Look at that big water cannon up there. Water cannons are for fighting fires. That border patrol boat, force boat, is an absolute beast. We'll take that pin out and he'll just rope up and he'll suck that in and I'll put that pin back. Easy, easy, peasy. Like normally that other thing stays there, but in this case we put it in the front. See you later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Look after yourself.